On this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat loading easily and fast. First thing you wanna do guys is go to the settings, go to the apps. On this page, scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. Go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode for 20 seconds exactly, and after 20 seconds disable it, and then open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. That's it guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe.